So good morning to one and all. So last class we discussed number system and ones complement, two's complement system. So this class we are going to discuss about introduction to logic gates. So what does mean by gate? So gate is a basic building blocks for making digital circuits. So we will introduce the Boolean algebra and logic gates. Logic gates are building blocks of the digital circuits. So logic variables. So difference name for the same thing, logic variable, binary variable, Boolean variable. Can only take on two values, example true or false, 1 or 0, on or off. So in electronic circuits, the two values can be represented by example high voltage 1, low voltage 0. Note the since only two voltage levels are used, the circuits have greater immunity to electrical noise. So in this slide shows what is meant by logic gates. So basic logic circuits with one or more inputs and one outputs are known as gates. So it has one or more inputs but only one output. So this is nothing but gate. So gates are used to the building blocks in the design of more complex digital logic circuits. Another definition of gate is basic logic circuits with one or more basic inputs and one outputs are known as gate. So representing logic function. So there are several ways of representing logic function. First one is symbolics or symbols to represent the gates, truth table, Boolean algebra. So we will now describe commonly used to gates. So this slide shows the NOR gate symbol or NOT gate or inverter. So whatever may be the thing. So the symbol diagram is simple diode symbol and one bubble. 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0. And the truth table for NOT gate is it has only one input and one output. 0 means 1, 0 means 1, 1 means 0. Boolean expression y which is equal to A. So NOT gate is also called a inverter is also one is true if A is false. I once again repeat, a NOT gate is also called an inverter. Y is only true if true or false. Circle or bubble. On the output of the gate implementation or implies that the inverting or completed bubbles or outputs. So representing the logic function. So there are several ways of representing logic functions. Symbols to represent the gates, the truth table to represent the gate, and last one is truth table is designed to represent the gate or Boolean algebra. We will now describe commonly used gates. So this is a block diagram of NOT gate. This is inverter. NOT gate is in the sense inverter. 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0. So here we are using, suppose inverting terminal we are getting means, so A length so A is the input and Y will be the output, so that will be given to the bubble. So NOT gate is called also inverter. So if Y is only true if A is false, circle only bubble on the output of the gate implies it is an inverting amplifier or complemented output. So this slide shows the AND gate. AND gate shows the multiplication. So this is a simple diagram for AND gate. A, B are the inputs, Y will be the output. And the next one shows the truth table. So here we are having two inputs and one output. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. There are 4 combinations. If any one of the input is 1 or both the inputs are low, the output will be 0. Both the inputs are high means the output will be high. So these are the truth table of AND gate. Boolean expression Y which is equal to A into B. So Y is only true, only N. If A true and H is true. If true, the Boolean algebra AND gate is represented by a dot, that is Y which is equal to A into C. So OR gate. So OR gate means addition operation. This is a simple diagram. A and B are the inputs and Y will be the input. Truth table is A and B 0 0. How many combination? 4 combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and Y will be the 0 1 1 1. If any one of the input is 1 or both the inputs are 1, output will be high. The Boolean expression is Y which is equal to A plus B. Y is true if A is true or B is true but not both. In Boolean algebra, XOR is represented by and plus is surrounded by circle is sign. This is NOT and NAND gate. NAND gate means NOT and is nothing but NAND gate. So this is a reverse operation of the AND operation. So reverse operation of AND. A and B are the inputs, Y will be the output. So here also we are using one bubble. So this is the truth table for NAND gate 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here both the inputs are low if any one of the input is 1. So in that case the output will be 1. So Boolean expression is y is equal to a into b the whole bar. The multiplication of a and b. So a dot b. So y is true if a is false or b is false or both. If y is false, only if a is true and b is true.